Truth be told, a perfume journey isn't linear. It's a self-discovery whether it suits you or not. So, make your olfactories work and alamin mo kung babago sa'yo. Narito na naman po tayo sa another frag review with Nabil's Maghatir. So, this is Nabil Maghatir's Master Perfumer Collection. So, this is Eau de Parfum EDP 100 ml. So, buksan natin. Actually, ang Maghatir is a type of dromedary camel. So, ito yung mga mas mapuputing camel. Not necessarily very fluffy, pero para siyang kulay alpaca or llama. So, part sila ng Camelidae. Camelidae family. Wow. Animal Kingdom trivia. So, buksan na natin. Oh, natanggal ko na buo. May dalawang variation siya. So, yung Arabic, Maghatir, and yung English version. Ang cute nito. So, ito yung Maghatir, ito yung camel. Okay. Ang daming nangyari. Ang daming nangyayari doon sa pabango. Smoky and kinda rose type of scent. Ang bango. Kung into Middle Eastern fragrances ka, ma-appreciate mo to. So this is a niche perfume. There are reasons kung bakit trip na nila ang niche perfume. Una, it's unique. There's this claim na ang niche perfumes are made better with better quality, and better quality is equals to better performance. Pero kadalasan talaga niyan, kaya ka bumibili ng niche perfume kasi bored ka na. So bored ka na dun sa mga usual mong pabango. Sabi, nangingiti na lang ako. Hindi ako nangingiti uli sa pabango. Siguro dahil ito yung first time na gumamit ako ng pabangong hindi ko pa na-try sa Pinas. Next naman, pag-usapan naman natin yung sillage. Ayoko magsabi ng 10-10, pero 9/10. 9/10. And take note guys, hindi siya masakit sa ilong. So, unisex nga ba siya? Suitable to sa mga tito nyo. So, give this one to your titos na late 20s to early 30s. So, next, pag-usapan naman natin yung performance niya. So, this one is a beast mode. 6 or 7 is max, I think. Imagine this one. You're this kind of ambivert. Like, hindi ka man of the room, pero gusto mo magpakilala as the gentleman one. Ito gamitin mo. Price range. Magkano nga ba siya? I bought this on 85 dirhams. 85 times 15 is nasa 1.2. In summation, this Nabil Maghatir has this smoky, rich, leathery, aromatic scent. So, to end this frag review, I'll just leave you with note: if you want to be a gentleman, smell like one, cup this one. Yes. Embodiment of the presence itself. Make your presence. You're already 30s. Build good one. Enjoy, fragheads. Enjoy, brothers. Assalamualaikum.